Good morning, boys and girls. This is Miss Flat. I hope that you're having a great morning and you're going to have a terrific day of learning. Today is Wednesday, April 22nd. It is Earth Day, and we celebrate it by sometimes people plant trees and flowers for their garden. Some people work on recycling. Some people help clean up the neighborhood. Many of the things that we normally do during Earth Day we can't do this year because of social distancing, but we are going to learn a little bit today about how the holiday started, and I have a video for you. I want to go over what's going on the rest of the day. 6-ish, you're going to have a poetry review today, and then you're going to work again on some 3D shapes. 7th, you have handwriting. You get to buddy read with your parents. You have reader's notebook and spelling, sentences, and practicing for your spelling test. And you're going to work on metric measurement again today. So I hope that everyone has a terrific day of learning, and I'll talk to you later. Have a good day. Bye-bye.